Hello, everybody. This is Tony, CEO, founder of Turo Course Car Rental. Speaking another video for my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Turo. And I'm going to talk about one of the biggest questions that get asked a lot is how do you do taxes? How does taxes work on Turo if you're self-employed? So this is what this video is going to be about, okay? Before I get started, I'm going to introduce myself, anybody that's new to the channel. Like I said, my name is Tony. This is my company here, Turo Course Car Rental. This is my shop here in Louisville, Kentucky. This is where I store all my vehicles. I'm currently sold out right now, so you can see the shop is empty right now. I'm sold out, but basically I'm in Louisville, Kentucky, and I have an all-black fleet. The biggest host in my city. I have a 19 vehicle fleet, black on black. I do $100 a day, unlimited miles, no deposit. I got over 2,000 trips. I'm an all-star host, power host. Got a lot of experience doing Turo. I make over 6 figures a year. I like to be very honest and transparent on my channel. So please subscribe and continue to watch my journey in my channel. Now in this video, I'm gonna talk about taxes because a lot of people be asking me about that. You know, how does taxes work? How much do you have to pay? What is it like being self-employed? What is it like doing Turo? Stuff like that. So that's what this video is gonna be about, guys, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my experience, my numbers, how does it work and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's go get right into it. So for the year 2022, as you can see right here, that's how much I made from Turo. These are my earnings, okay? $309,000 from the year 2022. Now, if I go over to 2023, as you can see here, this is what's just low. That's how much I made, okay? So $264,000 in 2023, all right? Now, I'm gonna go over here and show you, if I scroll down right here to tax information. So Turo actually give us what's called a 1099 form, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys for each year so you guys can see what that looks like. So once this load here, just bear with me. So 2022, that's my actual gross earnings. So the total that I actually made was $352,000, and then with the Turo fees, they took out $39,000. All right, which why come my overall number it'll be like 300K. Okay, so I actually made 352, and then the fees, and then that's the difference. And then if I go over to 2023, you guys can see, and this is straight from my Turo app, straight from the dashboard. I actually made $296,000. And then that's how much I paid Turo was $31,000, which, minus that was my difference of like $264, okay? So they give us a 1099 form for the prior year. So that's pretty much how that works, okay? Now, so the fees, in case you guys are wondering what the fees is for Turo. So pretty much, I'm on the 90-10 plan, which means I give Turo 10%, I get 90%. My deductible is $2,500. Now, I can change my plan where I give Turo, like you got the 80-20 plan, 60-40, but basically the more you give Turo, the less your deductible is. So with me, I want most of my money, so I'm on the 90-10 plan, so I give them 10%, I get 90%. In the case I have to file a claim, my deductible is $2,500, okay? So the 10% goes to Turo, and that's pretty much to use that platform to, basically for the advertising, for the promoting, to use that platform for the bookings, in case I have to do a tow, claims, smoker fee, cleaning fee, pretty much to use their platform to pay their employees, you have to pay them a fee. So with us, the host is 10%, okay? So that's what that fee is for, guys, okay? So now when you're doing your taxes, you are able to include that in your taxes because that is earnings that goes to Turo, not go to us, all right? Now, the other advantages of being self-employed is, the tax write-off. So you can actually tax write off anything, any expense related to the business, okay? And I mean anything. So with me, I didn't know this at first, so I actually went to an actual tax professional. I went to H&R Block to do my taxes. That was very nice to help me out tremendously in saving money. I kept all my receipts, all my invoices, receipts of repairs and stuff like that, maintenance. That helps out a lot. So any type of expense related to the business, you can actually write off on your taxes, guys, okay? And I didn't know this. So anytime I have to spend money getting the oil change, brakes, rotors, tires, alignment, any type of maintenance at all, okay? That goes towards for the business. Also like cleaning supplies, cleaning the cars, buying cleaning supplies for the car, stuff like that, gas, mileage, all that stuff is an expense. Also this shop. So the shop right here that you guys see, this is the expense. I pay $13.50 a month for the shop for my, basically parking and store my vehicles. That's the expense I'm able to write off, okay? So that helped out with my tax bill. Also car insurance. I pay about $3,000 a month for car insurance, for full coverage on all my vehicles, because you gotta have insurance. I was able to write that off on my taxes, the insurance. Also, when I go to the DMV to do my renew my tax, taxes, I gotta pay my taxes and registration on each vehicle every year. on my birthday. That bill is about $8,000 a month. I was able to write that off as expense, okay? So the taxes and renewal registration on each vehicle. Also, I'm a homeowner, so I own my own home, and I had to pay taxes. I have an escrow, so I have to pay taxes and interest and stuff. And for my house, I was able to write that off. I think it's called like a 1098 form. So with me being a homeowner, that helped out with my taxes as well. Also, my business phone. So I have a personal phone, I have a business phone. So my business phone, I was able to write that off. My Wi-Fi, I have internet Wi-Fi that's pretty much, mainly used for the business. I was able to use that as well for expense. So anything that's related to the business, I was able to pretty much use the expense, a tax write-off. The biggest thing is car depreciation. So I didn't know this, but it's called Section 179, car depreciation. That also helps out a lot. So when when I first started, I bought 17 vehicles for the business. I was able to write that off, and that helped lower my tax bill a whole lot. That car depreciation, that was the biggest thing, okay? So with me, I'm not gonna lie, I was scared. I was nervous to do my taxes. I thought I was gonna owe a lot of money. So that's why I didn't do it the last 2 years, for 2022, 2023, because I thought, well, wow, I made, 300K. I'm gonna owe the RS a whole lot of money, and I'm not gonna, I was just scared and nervous and kept procrastinating, kept throwing it off. I finally got it done this week, and shockingly, I only owe the RS like $560 for the year 2022, and I didn't owe them anything for the year 2023. So I was able to not owe them anything at all. The only thing I had to pay was like $1,000 for the person to do my taxes. It was like $500 for each year. So I paid them like $1,000 to basically prepare my taxes for me. Then I had to pay like the Louisville city tax, which was like $100 something, and then the Chevrolet tax as well, like $100 something. That was pretty much it. So got very lucky, very blessed that I didn't owe the IRS a whole lot of money, because I thought with all the penalties and fees and me being late, I was gonna owe a whole lot. But with all the tax write-off and stuff, it definitely helped lower my tax bill. So I just want to share this with you guys, because that's one of the biggest questions people be asking me, is like how the taxes work if you're doing Turo, if you're self-employed, how much do you have to pay, stuff like that. And I'll just tell you that keep your receipts, guys. Keep your receipts. Don't use cash. Try to use like a business credit card, or if you have like a business checking account or a savings account, try to use that, okay? So you have proof, so you have a paper trail, business bank statements, credit cards. Try to avoid using cash. If you do use cash, like I said, keep your receipts, okay? I got like a folder of receipts for pretty much every year I've been doing the business, of every money I spent on repairs and maintenance and stuff like that. So overall, I'm, like I said, very happy, very fortunate and blessed that I didn't owe the IRS a lot of taxes, because I thought I was gonna owe a whole lot of money due to the fact of how much money I made. Me making, $300,000 a year for the last 2 years, that I was just really scared of doing my taxes. But I finally got it done, very happy with the outcome, and that I didn't owe a whole lot of money to the IRS, okay? So I just want to share this video for everybody that hit me up, asking me how the taxes work, how much do you have to pay, so it is a 1099 form that Turo sends you for the prior year. And it's up to you to file your taxes yourself or have a tax professional do it for you, okay? So my advice, like I said, keep your receipts, okay? And try to use a business credit card or a business account so you can have a paper trail anytime you have to spend money related to the business, because you can't write that off, a tax write-off any expenses to the business, okay? So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share this video. You can also reach me on social media, Tony Luxury Cars, and that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, I'm out. Peace.